This episode, I'm going to show you an interesting preparation made out of eggplant called the Baingan Bharta or smoked eggplant mash. One eggplant. I'm going to first char grill my eggplant on the flame. So for that, I'm going to make some slits all around the eggplant so that it cooks faster. And also, I have an interesting twist to this. I'm going to take my garlic cloves and just push it through this slit, so that my garlic clove also cooks with the eggplant and I get that nice smoked flavor. 4 cloves of garlic. The eggplant is ready to be burnt on the flame, so let's do that. Medium flame, and I'm just going to place my eggplant and I'm going to keep turning it slowly over a period of time till everything is nicely cooked and my eggplant is nicely burnt and soft. Keep turning every time a side is cooked. The eggplant is nice and charred, and I'm going to remove it in a bowl and let it cool down for at least 5 minutes. I'm going to cover it with cling wrap so that it's easy to peel out the skin, and it'll also continue to cook inside. Till the eggplant is cooling, let's cook the remaining ingredients. 2 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start crackling, we'll add the onion, 1 teaspoon ginger paste. Just saute this till they're nice and cooked. I don't want to brown them too much. The onions are nice and soft. I'm going to add in the tomatoes. 2 tomatoes finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped. Give it a good mix. I'm going to add all the dry spices. 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida, 1/4 teaspoon Turmeric Powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon Coriander-Cumin Powder, half a teaspoon Red Chilli Powder, and also some salt so that my tomatoes cook quickly. The eggplant is cooled down. Let's open it and slowly peel off the charred skin. After peeling all the skin, this is how it looks, and with the help of a fork, I'm just going to mash everything together. The tomato mixture is nicely cooked, and now I'm going to add the smoked eggplant mash. Even if there are bits and pieces of the charred skin, just let them be there because it'll taste nice. I'm also going to throw in the green peas that I've already boiled and some coriander leaves. Give it a good mix. I'm just going to add maybe half a cup of water so that everything mixes well. A little bit of salt because I've already added a little earlier, just enough for the eggplant. Give it a good mix. And it's ready. Let's plate this. This is my favorite eggplant preparation. You can eat it with bread, roti, rice, anything that you like. You should definitely try this at home and do subscribe for more such interesting recipes. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.